Hi friends, let me show you this new 25 feet clear braided PVC hose that I received for viewing purposes. It comes nicely packed. You get the actual 25 feet tubing or hose and two hose clamps to connect it if either you want to put some hose connectors on it or just connect it directly to the faucet. With these clamps you can do it, okay? Okay, as you can see, this is a really flexible hose, okay? It's really thick hose walls here, as you can see, okay? And with the clamps, you can connect it virtually to any faucet or to another hose or any kind of hose connector, okay? So we are going to test it here in my home patio. Let's do it. We are going to use our hose as a regular hose, so we bought these accessories, okay, to create a regular hose. We just plug them in and we use this to tighten them, okay? Perfect. Let's try it outside. As you can see, we are ready. We have the hose endings in place with these accessories, and now we can use our hose as a regular hose to clean our home or do whatever chores you need with water. Now I'm going to wash my car with my new hose. As you can see, it's so easy with this. And I can put it on top of the car because it's so soft. Perfect.